In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email contact list to Constant Contact. First, make sure you're logged into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu along the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Contacts and click on it. This will take you to the area where all of your existing contacts and lists are managed. On the Contacts page, move your eyes to the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Add Contacts. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Upload from a file. After you select it, the page will refresh to prepare for your upload, so give it a moment to fully reload before moving on. Once the upload page has finished loading, you'll see a button that says Select a File. Click this button, and your computer's file browser will pop up. From here, navigate to the location where your email contact list is saved. This might be a CSV file, an Excel file, or another supported format. Click on the correct file to highlight it, and then press Enter on your keyboard, or click the Open button. You'll now see the file name appear in Constant Contact. Wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of your list and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. When the file has finished uploading, click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the field mapping screen. This step is important because it tells Constant Contact how to interpret the columns in your file. You'll see each column from your file on one side, and you'll be able to match it to a Constant Contact field on the other side, such as email address, first name, last name, company, and so on. Carefully go through each field and make sure it's mapped correctly. If something doesn't match, use the drop-down menus to select the most appropriate Constant Contact field. When everything looks good, click Continue at the top right. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose which list to add these contacts to. You can pick an existing list from the options shown. If you don't select any list, Constant Contact will automatically create a new one for you based on this import. You'll also see an option to add tags to these contacts, which is optional but helpful for organizing and segmenting later. After you've chosen the list and added any tags you want, click Continue again. A final pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you have permission to email these contacts. This step is crucial for staying compliant with email marketing regulations and maintaining good deliverability. Check the box next to the statement confirming you have permission to email them, and then click Save. Your import will now begin processing in the background. Once it's finished, your new contacts will be available in your selected list, ready to use in your next email campaign.